Here, of course, is the incense thurible and the bowl of incense, which needs to be completely full for Father Ramon. He uses a lot of incense and he wants it very full. All the rest of the things for doing incense is in this cupboard. We have this bowl for extra charcoal. Charcoals are in here, if not in a box of self-lighting charcoal. We have 2 tongs. We have the incense here. And we have this bucket for dumping the charcoal and incense out after Mass. Sorry. This goes out the back door by the priest's entrance. Remove the thurifer and incense bowl from the stand and place the stand behind the low wall, behind the ambo, where the lectionary, the readers read. Then, as you can see, someone forgot to dump the coals out, so sometimes you'll just have to do that. Here is the incense bowl. Open this up and fill it completely. Then take about 3 or 4 charcoals. You're going to leave 1 in that bowl, and the other 2 you will light for the thurifer. The charcoal has a plain side and a side. It's supposed to have a side with a star. Okay. I can hardly see the star. I guess that's it. This one is a little bit easier to see. You see the star? That is the side that you light. It has some ignition fluid in there. And when it lights along the arms of the star, you will see a red sparking action. Do this several times because the red sparks will go down each arm of the star and around the outer perimeter. Hold the coal in the tongs while you light it so that you don't burn yourself, of course. Then hold it upside down with the star down and hold your lighter below it. Light it. Often the sparking will put the lighter out. So look to see what lit, what turns the red sparks where it flows. Then light again, and wave it in between to keep it going. You will begin to see white ash along some parts where it has lit. Okay, I'm going to try to film this. You hold it upside down. You see the sparks? You see the... Okay, that did a pretty good job. But I will just light it again. It stopped sparking. Okay, it seems like it got pretty well lit. Then just shake it. Don't hold it too tight or it'll crack the charcoal off. As you can see, there's a little bit of ash there and kind of red. I might try to just light it again. Nope, it's not sparking. Okay, there it goes. See that? So I just shake it a little bit. You can see how it's A little red and smoky. So that seems to be pretty well lit. Then you would just place it into the thurifer once it's cleaned out, which this one isn't. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to fill the bowl up. Once this is full, your thurifer has the charcoals in it. You need to swing it. Swing it and have the altar server, give the altar server, who's going to be the thurifer, this, tell them to swing it, swing it, swing it, and also hand them the boat. The incense holder is called the boat. So you give both of these things to the altar server and have them vigorously swing the thurifer for a while to make sure the charcoal gets going. Then, after the priest reads the homily, go up and add the charcoal that you have in this bowl, along with tongs and the lighter, are placed behind the ambo near the incense stand. So you will go back there and light a new charcoal, place it in the thurifer, ready for Father to incense the bread and wine and the altar again. So here we are. This is where the incense stand goes, back here. I didn't haul it up here for this, but I think it's pretty obvious that that's what you do. On this white step stool, I place a lighter, the tongs, and a charcoal. I have both type lighters here. If there's an extra stick lighter, great. If not, you can use one of those little Bic lighters. They are in the cabinet along with all the incense implements. So that's what you have there to light a charcoal. You could put 2 if you want. I found that 2 to begin with and 1 extra after the homily is plenty for a regular Mass. Okay, after Mass, you will come outside with a thurifer by the bucket. Holding the chain, take the lid off, grab underneath with your paper towel, and dump the contents out. Set down the lid, and holding the thurifer up, dig out as much of the contents as you can. Leave it there. It will be smoking all over the place, but just leave it and we will pick it up on Monday. There is a knife and a spoon for digging out what is left in the thurifer of both charcoal and incense. Try to clear it out as well as possible while it's still hot. But in order to do that, you will need to have a thick piece of paper towel to hold the bottom of the thurifer with as you dump it out.